How to create a dropshipping fitness store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own dropshipping fitness store on Shopify in order to make money with it by selling your own products. So let's get started first by typing shopify.com in your search bar in your Google account or in your Google application. Then you proceed to clicking on start a free trial and then wait for it to load. And here we're going to sign up for our Shopify account. So let's wait for it to load. And here you can sign up with your email, with your Facebook account, or with your Apple account. For me, I'm going to sign up with my email. So here, let's still give it a few seconds to complete loading. Here, click on sign up with email. And wait for it to load again. And here, you enter your email. Let's enter our email. .com. Then you enter the password you want. Then you click on create Shopify account, but first we will need, you can optionally lengthen it to make it stronger, but that's it. And we cannot create. So here, let's try to lengthen our Shopify password. What can I enter to? Let's enter this. But it didn't give us the create Shopify account button in here. So I don't know what's the problem. I think there is a problem in here. So let's start again. Let's enter the password. And it must be, this one must be offered. I think there is a problem in here. So let's reload the website. So here we're reloading, and let's give it a few seconds to load. So here again, enter your email. Enter the password. And this button is still not loading. I don't know where the problem is, but I'm going to figure it out. Seems like everything in this website in here is stuck. So here guys, I'm going to start again. Let's enter Shopify in here, and let's click on the first link we have. Then enter your email address in here. gmail.com. And we need an L in here. And then start a free trial. Then you proceed to the sign up, where you're going to create your store. And here, let's wait for it to load. Let's give it a few seconds to complete loading, as you can see in here. So just wait for it, guys. So here guys, choose one of these options if you're just starting, or if you're already selling online or in person. Let's go with just starting. and then click on next to proceed to the next step. So let's give it a few seconds to load. So here, where would you like to sell? An online store, an existing website or blog, marketplace, social media. Let's go with an online store and then click on next. Or you can just skip all of this. What do you plan to sell first? Products I buy or make myself, digital products, services, drop shipping products. Then click on next. And here you enter your region or your country. Then click on next. And then you wait for it to load to complete the signing up. So here you can create your Shopify account with whatever means you want. So let's sign up with our Google account. Let's wait for it to load. And here choose your email. And it's heading back to Shopify, so wait for it to load. Welcome to the best converting checkout on the internet. And it's still loading, so just give it a few seconds, guys. View live insights and data reports. So just give it a few seconds to load. It's still loading. And this is it, guys. After your website has loaded or your dashboard in the platform has loaded, and here you can check your online store. This is where you can change your themes and those stuff. Let's close this one in here. This is where you can control your